Well, this is Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday, February 2010, and this is the second snowstorm after a record 31 inches we just received over the weekend. And as you can see, there's a lot of snow. We have a couple feet now built up. There used to be a deck under there somewhere, and some patio chairs, and a fountain, and a bar and grill, which it's almost buried now. This is just insane. The amount of snow we're getting is, we've never had this much snow. Record-breaking snowfall. And this is only at 3:30 in the afternoon, so we still got a couple more hours to go, and then we have the 20, 30, 40 mile an hour gusts that we got to deal with that are coming after this. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. So I'd share with you guys. See the wind blowing, the snow blowing over there. It's pretty. Messy, but pretty.